Hi everyone, my name is Harjot and you're watching Mr. Spice Me Up. Today we're going to make some brown butter. Now brown butter is basically just caramelized butter, but it takes the flavor of normal melted butter to a whole new level. So without wasting any more time, let's get crack-a-lacking.
Here I have 50 grams of cold refrigerated butter, which I will dice and divide into 3 small bowls. The reason why I'm doing that is so that I can show you 3 variations of brown butter: light, medium and dark. The light one will be cooked for the least amount of time, and the dark one will be cooked for the longest. The science behind the process is that butter contains butterfat, milk solids and water. Once melted, all these components will separate. The water present inside the butter will start to evaporate through a vigorous bubbling stage, leaving you with only butterfat and milk solids. As you continue to heat that, the milk solids will begin to toast and start turning brown. However, you need to be very careful. Keep an eye on it and constantly stir it. Here I'm simply taking out a bit of the milk foam so that you can see the color difference. The darker version is slightly bitter but not burnt, and the lighter one on the left side is where the milk solids are not fully toasted, which is why the flavor notes such as caramel and nuttiness would be a bit underdeveloped.
Alright, so now you know how to make brown butter. You can use this for making loads of recipes. Basically, anywhere you would use butter, you can replace it with brown butter because it has so much more flavor. Nuttiness, caramel, sweet, a little bit of bitterness as well. So much more flavor than normal old butter. Now the correct one is the middle one, of course, because it's not too strong and it's really balanced as well. And yeah, basically, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care. Bye-bye.